A terrible day in the markets on Thursday, but the job number, pretty good. Coming up here in the jog. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It is 8:02 here in the middle part of the country on Friday. Happy Friday to you. It is May 6th, 2022. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. Starting off here in the U.S., we have the April jobs numbers, and they are pretty darn good. 428,000 new jobs added here in April. Unemployment down to 3.6%. That is so stupidly low from a historical perspective. No wonder we have some inflation. We have incredible tightness in the labor market where it is just darn hard to find folks to work for your business. Leisure and hospitality leading the gains. We had a really bad market yesterday. There's no way to sort of dance around it. Market's off 1,000 points. Growth off nearly 5%. On a go-forward basis, we continue to have tightening labor issues. It could hurt corporate profits, but it's also going to refill those coffers of workers. Overall, the economy still looks pretty good. We had a sort of a bad GDP number earlier on in the month, but overall, things aren't COVID 2020 bad. They are not 2007, 2008 bad. At least not yet. Hoping they won't get there. Boris Johnson telling BP and Shell, hey, all those profits that you're making for your shareholders who have been patiently waiting a number of years for you to come in line with the markets, go ahead and dump them into renewables. We need more renewable power. Folks, politics and energy really aren't mixing very well at the moment. You could say they're mixing like oil and water. On a go-forward basis, the more we see politicians urging these oil companies to make terrible investments in green energy, investments that do not pay off, that do not help folks have lower energy prices, it only hurts folks at the bottom end of the economic spectrum. Folks with awesome first world jobs can pay higher energy prices. It's not a huge function of their budget. Folks who don't make as much, or at the lower end of the economic spectrum, need inexpensive energy to fuel their lives, and that is one of their primary concerns. If you think about folks who are disadvantaged, very low-cost energy is important for them. Last but not least, before we get you off to a nice weekend, I want to talk about Under Armour a little bit. Some weak guidance, which is a little bit disturbing. You know, they are one of just the coolest companies in the world, but they kind of don't play the earnings game very well. I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of a deeper dive this weekend. They really always seem to bounce quite a bit on earnings, either have really good or really bad earnings. Maybe they need to learn to play the game a little bit better. For a company that's in sports, you really should know the rules and give clear messages to analysts so you don't have a stock that swings wildly. That's better for your investors and, quite frankly, better for your employees who oftentimes have a lot of their savings invested in the stock. If you want some additional information throughout the weekend, feel free to find me on the internet. I am out there. Till then, hope you and your family have a really good weekend. I am